Frustrated by the PHP Sodium Crypto Module DLL error causing PHP Project to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Quickly resolve PHP Sodium Crypto Module inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the PHP Sodium Crypto Module, the libsodium extension for the PHP programming language, providing high-speed encryption, decryption, and password hashing. It is a mandatory requirement for modern WordPress security plugins and Laravel apps. If missing, the web server will return a 500 internal server error when attempting to verify user passwords or encrypt data. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like PHP Sodium Crypto Module DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with PHP Sodium Crypto Module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Installing an unverified version of PHP Sodium Crypto Module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on PHP Sodium Crypto Module. Thank you for trusting us with PHP Sodium Crypto Module Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.